What's up guys, Chris at Dentless Touch, back again with a repair video. I know it's been a minute guys, but we've been busy. So I got this nice GT500. Dent is on the fender, well both fenders, and I'll show you what that looks like right now. Yeah, no, we're just gonna, this is obviously open, so we would have to build a jig like somewhere around here. So I'm still gonna kind of go from this angle. Luckily we got a gap through here. Obviously I have a gap here, so.
And you don't have to leverage off of it?
Yeah. Perfecto. All right, let's get started. All right, quick, I wanna map out a game plan with you guys. Got my tools ready to go. I know, don't judge me on how sloppy this is. It's been a busy week. But let me just map out my game plan for you guys. All right. Edge of the fender, right there. So what I'm trying to do is leverage through this cavity here, maybe put something to guard the inner sheet metal, or I can build something to bring a leverage point closer to this edge, and then I should get a lot of strength or a lot of power to remove this dent. One thing I gotta watch out for, I may have to add a strap on this side, brace it to here, just so that this doesn't start to flex outward. So that may be, oops, that may be what I'll do. But let's see. We do have a supporting area here and then one up at the top. So that may be enough, but you can see how it moves. This may start to bow out, so like I said, I may strap this first. Actually, I probably will, and you'll see what that looks like. So let's get started. What tool will I use? I think this one. The tool cart looks so junky. But hey, I'm not gonna win any awards for the cleanest tool cart. But it is what it is. There we go. This is what I want to find. And you see this one, perfect length, I think. We'll see. But you can see the angle right there. I mean, the minimum I can do, the shortest I can have it is right around 1.5 inches. Where this one, mine is this, like you can see, it folds down, but it's about 1 inch. So I'm gonna go with this one, and it already has tape on it. Let's see if the tape is good. Probably gonna need to add more tape just because I want a blunter push, but we'll see. Let's go, and let's see the approach right there. Let's see, I'm gonna slide in between here, and that is perfect. Oh yeah. We just got finished putting everything back together. Let me show you what the finished repair looks like. Aereo did an amazing job putting everything back together. Everything looks exactly like it was before, and I think the dent turned out quite well.